Hello students, today I want to do some small announcement. The first announcement is regarding the updated course plan. So when you click inside here, okay, so we do some small changes whereby on the week of 9 is mid-sem mid-semester exam. So there will be no tutorials, so we will handle the tutorials on week 8. Okay, and then besides that, you also need to check your algebras and matrices grouping and topic in charge, because some of the students have quit Unimas, so I have to rearrange some of the group. Okay? But majority of the group will be the same, so please check your grouping. And after that, I also uploaded a new tutorial class list. Okay, this tutorial class list will not follow your algebra and matrices lecturer group, right? So we are using H1A, H1B, H1C and H1D. However, the small group, okay, for example team 1, okay, these 5 students will be similar to your algebras and matrices group, right? And this group 2 will be same, right? Only the number may be different. Okay, for example, your algebras and matrices group, where you might be team 2, right? But here you might be team 5, right? Or here you might be in H1C team 2, for example. But the small group member, the group members remain the same as in algebras and matrices. Okay, so a soft reminder for all students, right? You're supposed to upload your exercise, extra exercise 2 on 5th of September. So already 8, so last Sunday is supposed to upload it. And then your coming tutorial 2, right? So this one I will be changing already, right? So still the same, you have to upload on 9 September. But your live class will be follow the tutorial schedule that released by Preview. Okay, now we look at your team. So in your team, right, for example, my students, so all the extra exercise, okay, you need to upload in your MS team algebras and matrices group. Right? So inside the file here, so you're supposed to, let me check my group number 1, right? So you're supposed to have okay, see extra exercise LU2, right, uploaded here. Okay, however for tutorial, okay, you don't need to upload over here anymore, right? So you can go to your respected tutorial group, right? For example, if you are in tutorial H2A, for example, right, and if you are in team 3, for example, okay, so your file will upload over here, right? So team T3 in your tutorial Asasi H2A, your tutorial will upload here. So this tutorial group will be used by all the subjects, right? So for example, Hayat, you have chemistry and mathematics, so chemistry and mathematics will use the same list. But however, the small team will not able to access by lecturers of chemistry, right? So if you look at the lecturers and students, so lecturers, all these lecturers is math lecturer, right? Only math lecturer can see your students work for mathematics tutorial inside this small team, right? And this is the student who are in this team 3, for example. Okay, only student in team 3 will be able to see what they uploaded in this small team. Okay, so we have each lecture group. For example, Hayat, you have H1A, H1B, H1C, H1D. Hayat 2 also similar. You have H1, H2A, H2B, H2C, H2D. Okay, so I think that's all for my announcement today. So I hope every one of the students must watch this announcement so that you know this coming September onward. Okay, how you going to spend your extra exercise and also tutorial answer, and how you going to utilize all these MS Team group. Okay, thank you and have